Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is David and I'm a lawyer, barrister, attorney at law practicing immigration law. Today I'm in front of one of the immigration officers of City Milan to show you that we are not those kind of lawyers sitting in the office. We are those lawyers practical that goes actually physically accompany the clients to the immigration offices to obtain the documents. Today I had a very difficult accompaniment. It was a mother, father, 2 kids and grandparents, so it was kind of complicated. A lot of documents, but I decided to manage it by myself, this accompaniment. And in today's video, I want to tell you something that nobody, no authority will ever tell you as tips and tricks regarding the residency permit and immigration process in Italy. First thing that I want to tell you, nobody will require you to do any Italian exam in order to obtain the residency permit. There are false misunderstanding, a false myth about the fact that in the consulate they will ask you to speak Italian. No, if you speak Italian, if you're going for a student visa, of course they will require you to know a certain level of language. But all other residency permits do not require the knowledge of Italian language. The first time you're gonna be required to take an exam of level A2, it will be in 5 years if you will ever want to take the long-term residency permit of stay. So that's gonna happen only after 5 years you'll be in Italy. But you have to consider that the level A2 is kind of very easy, very basic level. So in those 5 years, if you will spend some time in Italy at least, I will tell you that probably you will get that level. Second thing, nobody says that, but actually no residency permit in Italy require you to mandatorily live in it. That's a very important thing. Listen carefully. So actually the Italian law says specifically in the unique immigration code in Italy that you don't have to leave Italy for more than 6 months in a row. So that means that if you come for the fingerprints and you come again in Italy in 5 months, your residency permit will be conserved. You don't have to live in it. Many probably are wondering why I need to a residency permit if I don't live here. That's a good topic. Of course, we can discuss this in another kind of video, but the important topic is you don't have to live in Italy. So you can just take your residency permit in Italy, spend them many times as you want. Some of our clients, they spend a couple of months, and here in Italy, actually they conserve the residency permit. The important things you for remember is every time that you arrive to the expiration date, of course, you have to go to the postal office, do renewal, come in the police department, do the fingerprints, and then when the SMS on your phone arrives, to come in the same department to pick up ready residency permit. Third thing, taxes. Oh my God, I don't want to pay taxes in Italy. I know this is a common expression. Everybody goes crazy about taxes in Italy. But if you listen to my first video about what kind of residency permit you have, and if you understood that probably you don't need to have a working residency permit, but maybe you also can afford and can take a residency permit without the possibility to work. So this is the wealth residency permit. It's called elective residence, residenza elettiva. So if you demonstrate that you have passive income from the provenient country where you are from, definitely you don't need to prove to the immigration office when you will come for the fingerprints that you have income in Italy. Nobody gonna require that. So therefore, you don't have to pay taxes in Italy. Italian law says specifically that you pay taxes in Italy on the income that you get in Italy. So if you have passive income, rental agreement, or any dividends, or any actions, obligations, cryptocurrency, etc. in your country, and you earning there is the place where you have to pay taxes. Another very important topic is, I want to live in that country, I want to take the residency permit. Everybody is scaring me about the fact that I have to be resident. Well, actually, the Italian law, the Italian immigration code, doesn't state in any paragraph that you have to be resident. Well, the immigration office might ask you to give them at least the proof that you applied to be and become resident, but that doesn't mean you have to finish the process. So sometimes when the immigration office asks us, can you provide us with your application to be in resident, we just make the application online, and then we don't just finalize the process, but we actually provide them that we did the application. Does that mean you're gonna become a resident? No, because the police will come, check, you will not be there, you will not be resident. I strongly suggest, if you want in 10 years to acquire the Italian citizenship, you have to become resident. Without residency, you will struggle a little bit to open a bank account, you will have no possibility to buy a car, at least on your name, you will have possibility to do driving tests to have the driver license. So the residency is very basic for pretty much some basic services, but if those services is not something you need, and if you rely not on a public system in Italy, you want to buy your private insurance, which will about a couple of grants per year for a family, so which doesn't look too much expensive in my view, well, definitely you will not even need a residency. Those little tips and tricks, there are a lot of them. We can tell you all the tricks to obtain properly, fluently, fast and quickly as possible residency permit in Italy, how to prolong it, how to renew it, how to make the family reunion. All this stuff is something we do practically every day, all day of the week. We have been doing this for many years. So any questions, any doubt you have, please comment here. We speak many languages: English, Spanish, Italian, Russian, Ukrainian, etc. So any language, feel free to ask any question. We'll be very happy to help you. Please subscribe to my channel. A like will be very much appreciated for my work here. And please subscribe for any consultation and for any application to Italian.